Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining me. Our book today is about springtime and what happens in spring. Have you ever wondered about where do birds go? What do they do? Oh my gosh, and I love this picture a bird standing on a cherry tree. I love cherries, and they bring me back to my childhood, to my home. Beautiful cherries, birds singing in the morning, the sun. I can see it all. It's beautiful. Our book today is Birds in Spring by Jenny Fretlin Van Verst. Ready? Let's see, what do birds do? How do they mate? And how do they raise their babies during the spring season? Here we go. Busy birds. It is spring. The air warms. Trees grow leaves. Flowers bloom. You know, we have several types of trees, right? The evergreens, they do keep their leaves on. But other trees, they lose their leaves and they go dormant in the winter time to get ready for a gorgeous spring. Birds return from the south. It is time to mate. The first birds that migrate back to the cold weather are the swallows. In many places, the sign of spring is when people see swallows. When they see them coming back, they know spring is definitely here. That's when the swallow bird comes back and builds its nest in little crooks and crannies and waits for its eggs to hatch and for the babies to come and celebrate spring. It's a beautiful time. The male sings, the female hears him. She likes his song. They mate. The birds build a nest. They use mud and grass. Now it depends on the type of bird, right? If you Google bird's nest, or if you type in a simple sentence like how do birds build their nest, you will see amazing videos, such incredible talents. Did you know there are birds that take leaves and actually sew them together as if they are sewing two pieces of fabric or something, and they make their nest that way? It's stunning what you can discover. They are incredibly amazing creatures. Not only beautiful, and they have a great voice and they mesmerize us, but such talent, architecture, amazing. The female lays eggs and she sits on the eggs. She keeps them warm. In 14 days, they hatch, which means the baby bird comes out. It breaks the eggs and comes out. Now, meantime, when mommy bird is sitting on the eggs to keep them warm, daddy bird will go get food for the mom and feeds her. Some birds might take turns sitting on the eggs, so it depends. The baby birds want food. They open their beaks and cry. Look at them. Mom brings them a bug. She chews it first, then she feeds them. Yum. The babies have grown. Look at their feathers. They spread their wings. It is time to fly. Parts of a bird. The beak. It's the hard, horny part of a bird's mouth. We call it a beak. Feathers, light, fluffy parts that cover a bird's body. It protects it from the wind and from the weather. Wings, one of the feather covered limbs a bird flaps in order to fly. Claw, it's a hard, curved, sharp nail on a bird's foot. Picture glossary. Hatch means to break out of an egg. South, the warm part of the world where some birds spend the winter. Mate, to join together to make a baby bird. Spread, to stretch out. And this is our book for today. I hope you liked it. The end.